Hi my velvets, welcome to my channel. Okay, let's be honest. You make plenty of plans and resolutions every year. Glow up goals, better habits, a whole lifestyle change, but somehow you ended up laying on your bed ignoring that all messy room, scrolling your phone, having junks, procrastinating, and having poor sleeping schedule that officially made you look like a panda. But baby girl, I need you to hear this. As 2026 is approaching, let this year be your quiet reset, not about becoming a new version of yourself, but about coming back to who you truly are, and this will be your ultimate glow-up era. We'll be needing no pricey products, no designer clothes, no extra tools for this. We'll take all the time we need during this process. No rush, no pressure, no being hard on ourselves. Only patience, care, and gentleness. So, let's get started. Step 1. Your room and your surroundings play a very important role in your glow-up journey, the place where your day begins and ends, where you rest and grow, and the space where you spend most of your time. When your room is scattered and messy, you automatically feel low and dull inside, and it drains all your energy. Start by cleaning your room and gathering everything that's been scattered around. A clean and cozy space clears your mind, lifts your mood, you just feel better, lighter, calmer, and more confident without even trying. Decorate your room with small cute touches like soft pink or white curtains, pastel colors, wall organizers or shelves, a decorated study desk, and cozy details like cute mirrors, soft toys, lamp, and aesthetic couches. Add decorative lights like leafy vines or cherry blossom lights for a cozy glow. Step 2. 2026 is starting, and we're not carrying the same dull skin. It's time for a fresh, effortless glow. Your skin sets the base of your glow up. It carries your natural glow, and it's the first thing people see before outfits, makeup, or anything else. So, sweetheart, here's some of my best skin glow up hacks for you. Try waking up a bit earlier than usual. Even 8 to 9 a.m. is perfectly manageable. Use ice water for face. Take a bowl, fill it with ice and water. Tie your hairs then, hold your breath. Dip your face into the bowl for 10 to 20 seconds. It tightens the skin, reduces puffiness, minimizes the pores, increases blood flow, soothes acne, reduces sebum, boosts glow. Alternate between a gentle ice rub or a chilled cucumber slices for natural gua sha massage. Babe, real skincare isn't hidden in products. It comes from consistency and simple DIY care at home. Water is the cheapest and most powerful skincare hack. Start your day with 2 glasses of water and aim for about 2 liters by the end of the day. It keeps your skin hydrated, plump, and gives you a natural glow no expensive product can replace. Cleanse your face twice a day. It removes all the dirt and excess oils. Moisturize according to your skin type, and always wear a broad-spectrum sunscreen even indoors. Use a lightweight gel or water-based moisturizer for oily combo skin, and a cream-based one for dry skin. Choose products that are fragrance-free and alcohol-free. Make a natural homemade moisturizer by combining ingredients like aloe vera, coconut oil, beeswax, and essential oils like jojoba oil, almond oil, and olive oils. You can also add a toner to your skincare routine if you like. Use a natural organic rose water toner. Simmer organic rose petals in distilled water on low heat for 20 to 30 minutes. Strain and store in a spray bottle and refrigerate and use within a week. Apply the toner after moisturizing. It deeply hydrates the skin, balances skin's pH, unclogs the pores, and evens the skin tone. Eye bags under eyes? These gentle eye massages can make a big difference. Acne breakouts? Eat raw garlic and honey. Garlic contains allicin with anti-inflammatory properties that help fight acne-causing bacteria. Struggling with dark circles? I got you, babe. Use cold spoon and green tea bags to see the quick results. Step 3. Your hair is your natural God-given crown. It's your duty to take care of them, protect them so it radiates glow-up energy. We're avoiding those moments where you flip your hair and half of it ends up in your hand. So velvets, we're turning that frizzy bird's nest into a healthy, glossy long hair. Hack number 1. Hair oiling and scalp massage. Your scalp is the foundation of your hair. A clean, nourished scalp promotes hair growth, reduces hair fall, controls dandruff. So let's start with the scalp. Massage your scalp with your fingers in gentle circular motion for 10 to 20 minutes. Don't use nails. You may add hair oils like rosemary oil or coconut oil and a scalp massager. Don't skip your scalp massage, your hairs will thank you. Here's a tutorial to make a natural DIY coconut oil at home. Cut fresh coconut into small pieces and grind it. Extract the coconut milk and refrigerate it. Once it separates, heat the coconut milk on low flame until it turns brown and the natural oil releases. Make a natural DIY hair mask for shiny, smooth hair. Blend banana, yogurt, and little honey until smooth. Apply it to damp hair, focusing on the lengths. This mask deeply nourishes your hairs and leaves them insanely soft and shiny. No saloon needed. Ditch your typical cotton pillowcases and switch to silk or satin cases to reduce frizz. Use a wooden comb, gently detangle your hair. Tie your hair with satin scrunchies, not tight elastics. Shampoo only 1 to 2 times a week to protect your hair's natural oils. And before bed, braid your hair and wear a silk bonnet to keep it smooth, protected, and prevent breakage. Experiment with new hairstyles. They can change your whole vibe. A fresh new hairstyle also transforms your entire look and enhances your confidence. Identifying your face shape matters a lot. You can even match it with a celebrity twin. Not all hairstyles suit every face shape. Let's find the most flattering one that suits you best. If you have an oval face shape, you're lucky. It's the most versatile, so almost any hairstyle suits you. Go for a blunt bob or shoulder-length cuts with subtle layers to add volume. A side-swept bangs also looks great on oval faces and gives a balancing effect. If you have a square face shape, choose hairstyles that soften and balance your strong jawline, like soft, wispy bangs, long layers, and soft shag. For round faces, short hairstyles are most flattering. Always leave a soft strand of hair is left untucked on one side. Go for a short pixie cut, curtain bangs, and a classic bob cut. If you have diamond face, go for a butterfly cut, layered lobs, and curtain bangs for a dramatic look. If you have a heart-shaped face, long layers, side part hairstyles, long bobs are perfect for balancing your features beautifully. Step 4. Let's talk about your lips for a second. My velvets, this is a gentle reminder that your lips deserve care too. If you're stressed about your dry, chapped, pigmented lips, this one's for you because we're bringing them back to their soft, plump, rosy era. Let's fix it. Hack number 1, exfoliate. Every lip glow-up starts with a mild lip scrub. A little gentle exfoliation is all it takes to remove the dead skin and reveal the soft, smooth lips. So, grab a small bowl. Add sugar, coconut oil, and honey. Mix them well, and that's it. Your natural lip scrub is ready. Take a small amount of it and gently rub it on your lips in slow circular motion. You can also use a toothbrush. Just be gentle, don't overdo it. Hack number 2, moisturize. Now that your lips are scrubbed, lock in moisture for plump, soft lips. Hydration is just as important as exfoliation. Use a lip balm, Vaseline, or any lip gloss you love. Pro tip, you can also use ghee or butter as a natural lip balm. Their fatty acids and vitamins deeply hydrates, heal cracked lips, and creates a protective barrier for soft, healthy lips. Hack number 3, lighten the lips. We've prepped the lips. Now let's work on lightening and brightening their natural color. Sweetie, I'm gonna show you a quick hack to get rid of that pigmented lips. Mix honey, ghee, lemon juice, and any essential oil you have. Apply on your lips, let it sit briefly, then wipe off. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you're drinking 2 to 3 liters of water every day cause dehydration can make lips dry and more pigmented. And always wear a SPF lip balm even indoors. Step 5. Okay, cuties. Now let's take a moment to focus on your lashes and eyebrows. They frame your entire face. Even without makeup, healthy brows and lashes make you look more put together. Hack number 1, brush your eyebrows. Grab a spoolie or eyebrow brush. Gently brush your eyebrows in upward strokes. Use Vaseline or aloe vera gel for more defined and lifted look. Hack number 2, use castor oil. Apply a few drops of castor oil, either on your fingers or directly onto your brows. Gently massage your brows with a spoolie. Trust me, babe, castor oil is a boon for your brows. Now let's move on to your eyelashes. Hack number 1, use green tea. Boil 1 teaspoon of cloves, green tea leaves, and rosemary together. Simmer them on low heat, strain, and let it cool. Apply it gently with a spoolie on your lashes. Green tea has caffeine and antioxidants that help strengthening follicles, calm inflammation, and keep lashes hydrated. Hack number 2. Use a lash serum. If you're dreaming of those long, thick lashes you see all over Pinterest and TikTok, it's time to add a DIY lash serum to your routine. Mix almond oil, castor oil, and few drops of vitamin E. Store it in an old mascara tube and apply it every night and wake up to that Pinterest-worthy lashes. You can also use castor oil directly on your lashes. It works too. Castor oil deeply conditions lashes, reducing breakage, helping them look thicker and longer. And no, it won't irritate or harm your eyes. Pro tips. Skip using lash curlers. They can cause breakage. Instead, use your fingers or a spoon to curl your lashes naturally. Avoid using mascara and don't rub your itchy eyes. Instead, rinse with water. Don't fall for every social media hacks like applying Vaseline on lashes or trimming your lashes. It won't grow them. Alright, Velvets. This is your complete glow-up plan for 2026. No money, no extra tools, no expensive products. Just consistency, patience, real habits, and showing up for yourself every day. You have the whole year, and I have faith in you. Let's glow up together. If you're ready to commit, comment, lock in, and I'll reply to each one of you. Don't forget to like, share it with your friends, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a glow-up video. See you in the next video. I love you.